Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to log into your Kotak Gold Loan account. If you're new to Kotak's online services, this video will guide you through the process step by step. So at first, open your preferred web browser and head to Kotak's login page. To do so, search for Kotak Gold Loan Login in the search bar. And now, click on this link. Once you're in the website, click on the login button. After that, you'll be redirected to another page for login. Here, enter your CRN username or card number and password to access your account. Once you've entered all your details and completed the captcha challenge, click on the secure login button. And just like that, you'll be able to log into your account. And if you cannot remember your username or password, no worries. The login page has options to recover them. You can simply click on Forgot CRN username or password link and follow the on-screen instructions. And also, if you haven't created an online account yet, you can sign up for one directly from this login page. Just look for the Register with Kotak option and follow along to create one. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on how to access your Kotak Gold Loan account. I hope you found this video helpful. So please leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.